Hi, I'm Laurie Brewer, author of Smart Girls Say the F Word and founding CEO of Globe Consulting, and now the creator of the Smart Girls Society. And the reason I created the Smart Girls Society is in the past year, I have rebuilt my life from nothing. It wasn't linear, it was cyclical, and it was messy and hurtful and painful. And I did not get through divorce and disappointment and relearning lessons that I never wanted to learn again. I didn't become unshakable because I was strong. I became unshakable because I allowed myself to break and I decided to rise. I want to be in a position where women never have to do this alone, that they always have a squad, a community of women who inspire them, who elevate them, who reinforce their growth and their messiness in a way that is supportive and reminds them who they are when they've forgotten. And the Smart Girls Society isn't just a coaching program. It is for women who are looking to transform inside out. Whether it's building a business or scaling their business or elevating their career or leadership skills or literally shifting the dynamics of their life in general. It is coaching and monthly workshops and themes that drive that transformation, actionable themes that change your perspective of you, of yourself, and what you want. One thing I learned in the past year is that you don't have to sacrifice what you love to leave behind a life that you've outgrown. It's okay to say, I want more. This doesn't work for me anymore. This isn't what I want. Choosing yourself is sacred. And we should all do that every single day. So for the women who feel like they're lost, or they've had to dim their light, or they don't feel aligned with where they are, or where they want to go in this life, Smart Girls Society is about changing that. It is about creating a space that is safe, that is empowering in the most feminine way possible. And my goal is to never allow another woman to go through a transformation or a journey the way that I did the past 15 months of my life. So if you're ready to make a change, I can't wait to meet you. I can't wait for you to be part of this community. I can't wait to cheer you on in your growth, in your transformation, in your wins, in just becoming the woman that you deserve to be. I hope to see you soon.